So I posted this on Thingiverse, and it was kind of amazing. There's been so many people that have downloaded it, and to me that is surprising because if you watch the video on YouTube, it's one of the most unpopular videos I've made. And when I made this plague sculpture with the plague doctor, I didn't know if there's any interest, but I thought it's such a cool subject. And because of the whole COVID thing, I don't know, that kind of just came into my mind. But I put it up on Thingiverse and I got tons of downloads, tons of views. So I was very surprised. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. It makes me feel like I didn't waste my time with the sculpture. But this is available for anybody. You can download it and you can print it out. If you don't have a 3D printer, they are extremely cheap these days. You can get them on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, for about $100. So it's really like one of these things that I didn't think the 3D printing would be such a huge thing for me, but with sculptures, this kind of gives you another way of making things. I'm really surprised. One of the issues I've made here with the support, and it kind of messed up the print, and I don't understand why. Right about here, it looks like the print shifted in the print bed, and that's something that I'm not really quite sure what happened. One that I created on YouTube is this. This is actually a terracotta. So it's solid. This is extremely permanent. It's also very heavy and almost, and of course I painted it. When I did the sculpture, it came out perfectly in the kiln. And if I do this, you can see the color of it. There are some cracks there, but usually that happens a lot. And then this is just a hollow that I scooped the insides out, so it's a little bit lighter and it's better for firing. But yeah, I'm very surprised that this sculpture has gotten so popular. And it's kind of cool. I mean, I do like it, and I am very happy that people are enjoying it. If you have a 3D printer, just download it. I'll put the link in the description below. But I just wanted to do a quick video and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.